Hey main characters, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jada. I'm someone who makes a lot of lifestyle content, soft life content. So if you're leveling up to your best self, you're at the right place. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Everybody like this video. So guys, I had a pretty good day today. It wasn't too long, wasn't too slow. It was just right, okay? And I'm about to go get me some wine and just have a relaxing rest of my evening, have some dinner, and just relax. So come spend a day with me. Who will spend the evening with me. Oh, and just what I'm thinking, I'm not gonna do anything. I actually have to food prep today, so we're gonna do some meal prepping. We're gonna have a good evening. So let's go. For dinner, I'm having salad with some frozen pizza and some wine. As I'm filming this, guys, I'm also filming content for Instagram. You guys know that I don't only do content for YouTube, but I also do it for Instagram. So I'll be back and forth. So as you guys know, I'm going to be meal prepping. I got my fried chicken and my baked chicken, and I'm just gonna add a couple of sides. So let's get into that. But first, some wine. So I'm gonna put some corn in there. Okay, here it goes. Dinner or lunch or whatever I want it to be. Looks good. Hey guys, let's do a chit chat while I make this sandwich. Y'all get exclusive stuff because Instagram didn't get this part. So guys, lately I've been feeling a little bit homesick. And, you know, that's hard for me to admit because I'm somebody who hates being vulnerable. I'm somebody, anything that makes me look or feel down about myself, I don't like to do. But I miss New York. And it's not that I had friends there that I miss, because you guys know I don't have friends and I don't want friends. It's just, it's my hometown. I've always lived there like almost my whole life. So being in Houston and like relocating on my own like this, you know, it makes me homesick and I miss New York. I'm planning on probably going back for a visit as soon as I can. I don't know when that'll be, but hopefully very soon. Okay, so I'm just gonna end out the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Just make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Yeah, and also guys, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. It's by jadaamoodyy. And then also, if you guys want to like cash at me or anything for my birthday, I will link everything below. Stay main characters. Bye.